Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white dal recipe, only ways. Start by rinsing the dal until water runs clear, then soak for 20 minutes to reduce cooking time. Drain and add to a pot with 3 cups water and 1 teaspoon salt, bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat to simmer until tender and slightly broken down. Stir occasionally and skim any foam for a clean, smooth result. This recipe keeps ingredients simple and pantry-friendly so you can cook confidently. Measure 1 cup white dal, chop 1 medium tomato and 1 small onion, and prepare a tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste. You will also need basic spices like turmeric, salt, and red chili powder to taste. Have lemon and cilantro ready to brighten the dal at the end. These small steps make the flavor balanced and comforting. After dal is tender, remove the bay leaf and mash about 1/4 of the lentils to thicken the pot naturally. If it appears too thick, add warm water 1/4 cup at a time while stirring to reach the consistency you prefer. Heat a tablespoon of oil, fry cumin seeds, garlic, and a dried red chili until fragrant, then pour this sizzling tadka over the dal to awaken the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.